I've been talking about changing up my hair for a while now, and IGK just sent me their one-step bleach and color kit. We're going to be using the color Pinky Swear to add some pink to the ends of my hair. They send you everything you need in the box, including the color, the bleach, a brush, and a little mixing bowl. All of the instructions are on the box and make it easy for you to do this at home. So I mix up the color and then I section off the piece of hair that I want to dye. The application is super easy as long as you know to saturate it heavily. The more you saturate it, the better the color will turn out. So I applied the color to my hair and then wrapped it up in foils and did that on the other side as well. Processing time is just 45 minutes, so I sat and waited and then washed that out of my hair. After washing, I brushed it and then added their instant repair serum that comes in the box with everything. It also comes with a shampoo and conditioner that helps repair your hair after bleaching it. I decided to curl it too, just to add a little bit of style to it. And then here it is. Now my hair has been colored black billions of times, so I'm very surprised that the color came out this good and it feels super healthy and nice. And now we have fun little pink ends.